Good morning, children. Today we learn land animals and water animals. With very simple steps, I'll teach you how to draw land animals and water animals. So first I'll start with this land animal. What is this? This is a lion. Okay. So for this you'll create a circle and then two semicircles for ear, two circles for eyes, and you have to make a V. Then C both the sides, and like this you will make the statues. Now with semicircles you will create this, and now for the body you have to make a big C. Okay, one L for legs, L. So for legs you have to make L, again L for legs. This is the tail. So this finishes your line. It's very simple. Now we'll move to the elephant. For elephant, first I'll draw this trunk, and then for eye I'll make a little semicircle. For ear also I'll make a circle, semicircle. Here you have to make a big C. Coming down for legs, again L for legs, again L for legs. So these are the legs. Okay, and now this is the tail. And children, you all will create a environment. Okay, you will create some trees, clouds, whatever you want you can create here to give the environment. Okay, maybe some grass. So you can divide your page. Children, see, I have made four animals. Two are land animals and two are water animals. So it's not compulsory that you make all four. You can make two animals total. That means one land animal and one water animal. But if you are willing to make all four, you can make all four. Okay, so now I start with water animals. For water animals, first I'll draw one fish for you. See, for fish, children, what I have done, I have made a circle, and then I'll make fins. Okay, oval for eye. Then I'll divide this into two, and then again a fin. These are the fins. From this, bird swims from these fins. This is a very simple fish. Now I'll make an octopus for you. For octopus, what you have to do, you have to make a circle, and this circle is open from here. Now make two eyes. And how many tentacles octopus have? They are 8. So what we'll do, we'll make 8 tentacles. That means 8 legs. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then if you want, you can make some design like this. So in these circles you can do some different color, and this octopus can be of different color. But children, in this you don't have to color right now. You'll just draw this with a pencil, and then you have to do the outlining with black sketch pen. Nobody will do the coloring. We'll do the coloring afterwards. Now I am making water for water animals like this. Okay, and maybe we can make some these types of grass and some rocks. Okay, some bubbles. So this finishes your land animal and water animal. I have made 2 land animals and 2 water animals. So if you want, we can make all 4, and if you want, you can make 1 land animal and 1 water animal on same page. Okay children, thank you.